What's going on, World Wide Web? It's your boy, Marlon O. Bennett, the original student of the game of internet marketing, guys. We're back in the video series. And today, guys, we're going to be talking a little bit more about uh, getting exposure and traffic for your problem-solving marketing system, okay? Just think about that, guys, okay? Now, assuming you guys have already tied into your problem-solving marketing system, you have your high converting offer, everything's all together, and now it's time to start strategically positioning yourself in front of prospects that is people who are interested in your product and service. If you guys have joined along with me in this particular business opportunity, guys, and you have everything set up, now it's time to put yourself out there, guys, and start getting exposure and traffic for your business, okay? And you have a great business model here, guys, where payments are going to be made directly to you, your bank and your PayPal account. So now, guys, you want to get in front of the 200,000 plus brand new people who are looking for ways to make money online, okay? You are now a problem solver, guys, and you have your own digital marketing business, and now you're capable, if it's your intention, guys, and depending on what your level of commitment is, to go out and speak your own success into existence, okay? So when we talk about exposure and traffic, guys, let's talk about the two types of exposure and traffic that there are. There are free ways to get exposure and traffic to your problem-solving marketing system, and then there are paid sources for getting exposure and traffic to your problem-solving marketing system. Today, I'm going to talk particularly, guys, about one of my favorite. I'm only going to be talking about two in depth, and then, guys, inside of the training you got, we'll be talking about some other marketing sources such as Facebook, Craigslist, and some other things you can do. This is what I want you guys to take away from this video before we even get started, is if you start getting out there, guys, and you get too hung up and trying to do too many things at one time, you're going to end up not doing anything. So focus is key. So in the very beginning, I want you guys to only concentrate on two exposure and traffic sources. Two exposure and traffic sources, okay? I'm going to be talking today about YouTube, guys, okay? I love YouTube. This is a great way to get a laser targeted traffic to your problem solving marketing system. Why? Because you can jump on YouTube, guys, and you can speak directly to your target audience. In this instance, people who are looking for ways to make money online, looking for ways to make money from home, who want to work from home, or either want to start their own business. You can set up a free YouTube account, guys, and you can get on the World Wide Web right now tonight, and whenever you choose, guys, and shoot a video anytime you like. I have to admit, guys, I'm addicted to doing YouTube videos. Some days, guys, I don't even be planning to do them. I'll jump online and do them because I love video marketing. Video marketing is very powerful, guys. And again, you can set up a YouTube account absolutely free. Now, this is what you want to do, guys, okay? This is exactly why you want to do this. Number one, you're going to start branding yourself, okay? Branding is a very important aspect as far as I'm concerned when you talk about your problem-solving marketing systems, because like we said at the beginning of this series, guys, when most people go online and start looking for ways to make money from home, one of the first places they go is to Google and YouTube. So imagine, guys, if you have 5, 10, 15, or a few videos on YouTube speaking to that particular target audience, and they get in and they type in a certain strain of keywords and your video populates. That's a great way, guys, again, to get target laser exposure for your business as well as traffic. So you want to be doing YouTube videos because that's also going to enable you to hone your skills as an internet marketer, okay? You want to be honing your skills, guys. You want to be getting better and better and better with everything that you do with every passing day. Now, getting started, right, in terms of setting up your own YouTube videos or, you know, your own channel, it's easy, guys. You go to YouTube, you set yourself up a channel, you go out to a place like Walmart or wherever, get yourself a cheap $19.95 webcam, guys. And I'm going to show you guys some free software that you can get right now tonight, and you can actually start using it to go and start uploading videos to YouTube. The name of the software, guys, is ScreencastOmatic. I'm going to leave a link under the video on my website, and you guys can go right here and you can get ScreencastOmatic, guys. This is a great software. You can actually start recording for free right now, up to 15 minutes, absolutely free. And everything that you need, guys, you're going to be able to find inside of ScreencastOmatic. If you just want to get up here and get started in terms of shooting your own videos on YouTube, uploading them on YouTube, starting the branding process, and actually starting to hone your skills. That's what you want to be doing, guys, when we talk about that exposure and traffic for your problem-solving marketing system. That YouTube, again, it comes highly recommended. And right under the video, guys, I want you guys, you see I spell subscribe wrong here, guys, but I'm gonna redo that. But subscribe, you can click here to subscribe to me on YouTube, guys. Go on and subscribe to my channel so you guys can kind of get an idea of some of the types of videos that I shoot and some of the type of content that you can actually start creating to start branding yourself online, okay? And again, if you're on my website, and you should be, you're gonna be able to click here, guys, and get your sign up for your free ScreencastOmatic account. So you guys will be able to do that. Now I'm going to jump back over here to YouTube for just 1 second, guys, and just give you guys a quick idea of the power of being able to get on YouTube and start doing videos. Okay, I said earlier, video marketing is very powerful, guys. Everything and everybody's doing video marketing now. There's no reason why you can't jump online, guys. Remember, I talked about developing a skill set. So this is right there, right? It's the pinnacle of that skill set, because again, once you start shooting your own videos on YouTube, guys, you're gonna get really excited about it. Right? You're gonna start out thinking, what am I gonna do videos on? And before you know it, guys, you're gonna be doing videos every single day. You're gonna become an addict to doing YouTube videos, guys. I just feel that that's what you're gonna do, right? That's what happened to me, guys. I think I got a little over 1,000 videos on YouTube. Even before I knew what I was doing, I started doing it, and I'm absolutely loving it. And I haven't even really got started yet, okay? So get excited about setting up your own YouTube account right now today, guys. Getting that ScreencastOmatic free account where you can start shooting videos and uploading them to your channel. And then once you've done that, guys, I will give you guys some additional training. And one of the reasons I want you to subscribe to the channel, because I can show you guys how to set up a playlist. I can show you guys how to do some, well, one of the most important things I'm actually going to be sharing with you guys, for those of you who join me, and I'm going to do a video. There's going to be another video on this particular, on my website. We're going to talk a little bit more about that. But I'm going to give you my YouTube video ranking strategy. And I like that because what I'm able to do is I'm able to get my YouTube videos ranked on the very first page of YouTube. Some I do, some I don't. It's up to me whether I want to do it or not. But it's very powerful, right? Because we want, the more exposure we can get for our business, guys, ultimately the more interaction we can get with people who are looking for ways to make money from home and start their own business, and ultimately get more sales, more signups, and more conversions for our business. So anyway, guys, I'm going to go to my channel, and this is just the way I have my particular channel set up. But I will tell you guys that I have let's go to edit video. I can go on to my YouTube channel at any time I want, guys, and you guys will learn this as you start going along. You can edit the different videos that you have on YouTube. You know, you can do all kinds of things like that. And so when you're inside of here, guys, you'll be able to click on this button. You know, you can see the Creator Studio. You can see all of those great little features that you have. And it's just a great place to be able to, again, to go to start branding yourself, if you will, and then getting exposure for your particular business opportunity, your products, and your services. Now, my computer is acting a little bit slow, guys, and what I'm trying to do is get inside my account so I can show you guys an example of some of the content that I've been able to create, guys, because it's you know, I create a lot of content, guys, and I do it for several reasons. But number one is because I love creating content. I love teaching people, right? I love being in this place where I'm always learning new things, and I like sharing them with other people. So anyway, you guys kind of get a chance. I'm gonna go here to my videos, and you guys get a chance to kind of see some of the videos that I put up. Again, you guys get to subscribe to my channel, but I'm constantly putting videos up. I'm constantly honing my skill. I'm constantly speaking my own success into existence, guys. Okay. Now, again, it's very simple to set up your own YouTube video channel, guys. Once you do, get yourself that webcam, get the screencast. Let's see if we can get back over there. Get yourself the ScreencastOmatic. Go to this website, guys. Get that. Get in here, guys. Get this software. Start doing your videos. Start uploading them to YouTube, and then you know, just, you know, talk about your business. Okay, talk about what you've learned. Okay, because that's the cornerstone for building relationships with other people, rapport with other people, and again, guys, in the process, you're also honing your skill. Remember, guys, we can speak our own success into existence, but we have to speak our own success into existence. Video marketing is going to give you an ability to do that. So again, guys, that's my first recommended traffic and exposure source is YouTube. In the next video, guys, we're going to go into some, or my favorite #1 recommended source for paid exposure, right, and traffic, and we're going to do that on the next video, and so we'll talk about that. But for the day, guys, go ahead on and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, guys, and make sure to sign up for your free ScreencastOmatic account. Okay, and then I'll see you guys on the next video where we'll talk about more exposure and traffic for your problem solving marketing system, and my #1 recommendation in terms of paid exposure and traffic. Anyway, I'll see you guys on that video.